Okay guys, today I've got a Whirlpool washer and dryer set. This one's got some touch up I need to do on it, but I want to show you real quick that functionality, it works perfect. So as if you were standing here in front of it yourself, a couple things you'd check. One, you'd make sure that it brings the water in, and I've got some bleach water in there. I always run a good sanitary cleaning load through before I do a full load of clothes. So that's where I'm at right now. So I'll go ahead and just show you. All right, let's flip that around. Brings the water in just fine. And then if you switch this, it tells you that switch works. Lid switch works because it stops agitating the second you lift it up. You can hear it's got a nice strong agitation. Then the next thing you check, you make sure that the pump works, that it's going to pull out all the water. That's the return line there, pumping out all the water. Of course, there again, if you left that up, it's going to stop it. So we'll give it just a sec and it'll spin out here in just a sec, show you that it spins nice and fast. Then I'll go ahead and put a load of heavy jeans and towels through this machine. Then when it's done, we'll move those clothes over to the dryer. And then I'll show you with a full load of clothes that the dryer works good, heat's good, all that. So the washer gets a 28-point inspection, and then the dryer gets a 22-point inspection. Aside from just all of these mechanical things, we also go in and check, make sure all the electrical components work good, use a multimeter, make sure all the correct ohms readings and all that are all good. Alright, here it's getting up to full speed. Then I'll lift this up, show you once again. You're not really supposed to lift this up and down, but that's what that safety switch is for. So that's it at full speed. Sounds good, nice, steady, not bouncing around or anything like that. All things you'd want to check for. It's got a good brake system on it too, so when I lift this up, stops pretty quick. So there you have it. That's it with the washer. We'll go ahead and get the touch up on it done and show you the dryer next. Okay, now we've got the Whirlpool dryer loaded up, ready to go. So we will close that up. And we got it on time dry, high heat. We'll just go ahead and hit go. As you can see, it's got a nice smooth operation. Sounds great. I'm going to grab my heat gun. I'm also going to stick the hose on the back of the dryer too. It's a little quieter with the vent hose hooked up. Okay, got that hose hooked up. It's been running for a couple minutes, about 5 minutes. So we'll go ahead and shoot the heat gun in there. And essentially, my laser sight, whatever it lands on, it's going to give you the surface temperature, whatever it hits. So we'll open this up and shoot it right into the heating element tube. You can see there's plenty of heat coming out of that tube. That in turn heats the inside of the dryer anywhere from 95 up to 195. Just depends on what you have the heat setting at. But that way you know it's nice and hot like it's supposed to be. And as I said, it sounds great. So we're going to do a little bit of touch up on these, then we'll go ahead and get them listed up for sale. Do appreciate you taking time to watch this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you.